Hello children, welcome to Raya Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium video series. As usual, we met through this online platform. Today we are going to learn for 7th standard in history lesson Conflict with the Mughals, video series number 16. Introduction. The coronation ceremony was over, but its joy was short-lived. A short while after the coronation on 17 June 1674, Ma Sahib passed away, while all his subjects looked upon Shivaji Maharaj as their protector. Shivaji Maharaj himself depended upon the advice and help of Ma Sahib. She was the true guide and guru in his life. He was deeply grieved at the loss of his mother. Visit to Golconda. Golconda was the capital of Qutub Shah's kingdom. Children, after the 3 years of that coronation, in October 1677, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj undertook the campaign of South, and that time he went to the Golconda. So the visit to the Golconda and what was the circumstances that time had shown here. Golconda was the capital of Qutub Shah's kingdom. He made great preparations to receive Shivaji Maharaj. A special Shamiana was put up where the two would meet. As Shivaji entered the capital, people lined the streets to have his darshan. Stories of his exploits, about his valor, courage, were the talk of the whole country. People had heard of the death of the Afzal Khan at his hands, of the discomfiture of Shahiste Khan, and of Shivaji's miraculous escape from Agra. Because of this, Shivaji Maharaj received a royal welcome. As here, two pictures are provided. Beside of the left side of picture is of Qutub Shah. The picture of it is Qutub Shah, who called on to the Shivaji Maharaj for one treaty meeting, one treaty of friendship meeting. And beside of the right side of picture has shown where that Shivaji Maharaj entered the capital and the people lined up the streets to have his darshan. And a special Shamiana was put up where the two of them would meet. The perfect scene of that time, which type of scene was that, is depicted from this type of picture. Next, conquest of Jinji. See children, after this meeting, taking the leave of Qutub Shah, Shivaji proceeded south and reached the east coast. To the south, Chennai, in the fort in Jinji. It is a big fort, as big and strong as Raigad. Shivaji besieged and captured it. A strong southern base was thus created for Swaraj. Then he besieged the Vellore of fort. His southern campaign brought under his rule several forts and a territory with an annual revenue of 20 lakhs. Look this picture children. This is the picture of Jinji fort, where this fort Maharaj won this fort Jinji, and which is in today's Tamil Nadu, and some other territories of Adil Shah also conquered. by Shivaji Maharaj, and he appointed Raghunath Narayan Hanumante, the chief administrator, to look after these conquered territories. The Campaign of South. In October 1677, Shivaji Maharaj entered into treaty of friendship with Qutub Shah of Golconda. He won Bengaluru, Hoskote in Karnataka, Jinji and Vellore Fort in Tamil Nadu and some territories of Adil Shah. He appointed Raghunath Narayan Hanumante as chief administrator. However, he failed to enlist cooperation of his half-brother Venkoji, ruler of Tanjavur, in the work of Swaraj. He annexed fort of Jinji in Tamil Nadu, which proved of great importance when he had to leave Maharashtra for safety reasons. Shivaji Maharaj passed away at Raigad Fort on 3 April 1680. Look these images, children. With these images, you will make the picture very clear. Beside of the left side of the picture, where you are watching the meeting of between the Shivaji Maharaj and Venkoji Raje. Venkoji Raje was the half brother of Shivaji Maharaj, and he was ruling at Tanjore. Shivaji Maharaj tried to get him to participate in the activities of the Swaraj. And after Venkoji Raje, the rulers of Tanjore encouraged art and learning. The Saraswati Mahal library there is world famous. Shivaji Maharaj came to Venkoji Raje to insist him to participate into the activities of this Swaraj. That picture is clear from the left side of the picture. And beside of the right side of the picture, it is the memorial of Samadhi of Shivaji Maharaj. Children, that Maharaj had annexed the fort of Jinji in Tamil Nadu to his Swaraj, and this proved to be of very great importance in latter years. Then Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj had to leave Maharashtra for reason of safety at that time, and he took shelter in the southern fort of Jinji and ran the administration of Swaraj from there. Soon after the victorious campaign of the south, Shivaji Maharaj passed away on Raigad on 3 April 1680, and his death at the age of 50 was a great loss for Swaraj. See, children, a very great period came to an end. Shivaji Maharaj was Shivaji Maharaj who founded the Swaraj and who sacrificed his whole life for the founding this. Okay, children, in this way we have completed today this lesson, conflict with the Mughals. I hope you have understood this all points from this lesson. We will be meet into the next video. Till then, revise these all points from this lesson. Thank you.